What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here, first and foremost, we have SPY. I believe in the next couple days, or just tomorrow, it's Friday, but we have a make or break situation. Today we barely closed red, but we had an amazing recovery, bounce back to the 347. If we pull back and look at the 4 hour, we're still having those higher lows here, still maintaining. See if we could draw it out here real quick. That decent uptrend we have here. If we start pulling back to the 340s, we're definitely going to start getting some uncertainty. A lot of people will be selling, I think, in my opinion, if we hit the 335s. I think there will be more sellers here than buyers buying the dip. So hopefully tomorrow we could probably get a push above 350, but we'll see what tomorrow holds. Today our play was Tesla. If you guys haven't already, first link down below is our free chat. Um, he will call NIO actually. Well, he had a 30 target. I think he hit 29 something today, almost 30. And I think it did hit the mid 26. And he said that anything sub 27 for NIO would have been a buy. So Tesla, real quick today, we had this drop here to like 443, right around here, 444 actually. And let me see, we had like a 70 profit, but I wanted to get in on the second entry. But then again, this might work as support, and it did, and it bounced. So I'm glad I didn't get in on that one. Where is it at? This was like a 7. Yeah, buying Tesla here. He's holding 100K worth of NIO calls. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be very different, very interesting. He's holding FSLY as well. For Tesla, another play that's having earnings that's coming up that's literally right here at the breaking point and the 460s, and it could possibly reach the $500 mark. I wouldn't doubt it at all. So right now, this pullback here is kind of making me a little iffy because if we look at the 5 minute, we're almost trading sideways here. So this was a very anticipated $half mark 450 breakout, hit the 465. So I'd wanted to hold above 450 Tesla, no doubt above 450, and I'm very bullish on this one. If it starts coming down under 440, it could possibly reach the 420s in this area again, which I won't be happy. So we'll see. Definitely going to be a very interesting Friday, and definitely next week as we head closer into elections, it's going to get crazy. AM Apples. Pull up Apple really quick. Let's see. Very strong upturn on the 1 minute right here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Coming off the highs of 127. I don't like this gap down actually. I'm probably gonna wait. I'll probably be a buyer. See, like this is I don't like this downtrend here on the SMA on the 5 minute. It's nothing compared to this on this beautiful uptrend. It's more like very choppy here on the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Still holding the uptrend here. 115 would probably be the lowest point could possibly reach, and you can see how we bounce off the SMA here on the 4 hour. But I can't really say anything on Apple right now. I'll probably just wait. I'm gonna wait up on Apple. Beyond's about to crack down here on the 180s. Like I said, I'm waiting for Beyond Meat for the 160s. I'm waiting for the $160 mark right around here, maybe 170s. So I'm not rushing on that one. Let's see, which one else? Bed Bath and Beyond. I think this one also hit new highs today. 25.14. I wait for a dip on this one. Very, very strong uptrend here. Held midday actually, and it broke past the 24.40 resistance. And notice how I used that previous resistance here, which was a double top, as support headed into the market close, making a new high afterwards. So tomorrow if we dip, watch this level. This actually, I'm probably gonna set my alert on this one right now. Wait for the $24.50 mark right here. It could possibly bounce, and this would probably be a good dip buy. Let's take a look at NIO, or probably the last one. This one, I would have loved it if it helped the $27.80 mark, and then we had a new high, or possibly headed into highs, headed into the market close. But what can I say? Just look at its 15-minute chart. We've been anticipating a run like this on the 4 hour. Well, you could also see on the 1 hour that resistance here, like the $22 mark, was massive. And again, if you go back to yesterday's video, I kind of didn't like this gap, but we still managed to play and managed to pull out a decent profit. But this trend line here is my price. 28.50s is probably where I jump in. Not necessarily fully invested, but probably like a half position, especially since it's Friday tomorrow. So that's the price I'd wait for, 28.50s. Hopefully this doesn't happen again and we're gapping up pre-market to 29. But we were close, 29, 23, I guess you can say. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any other tickers you want me to analyze, make sure you leave a comment or reach out to me in our chat. Once again, it's free. It's the first link down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in our chat. Take care.